And just to let you know what will be happening to our website shortly, we're in a unique position of having a very, very good social media presence. At the moment, we have 425,000 plus viewers a month, and we have 2,500 viewers to the website. Now, we're only a little firm. There's only me and John, and we don't want to get any bigger. We don't want to take any more staff on, so we're busy enough as it is. So we're just nice at the moment and ticking over. However, because we've got all these viewers, we have looked to try and pay them back for supporting us via watching our YouTube videos, and B, pay the customers back who've bought cars off us. And even if we haven't got a car that you want, we're going to try and help you. So we're going to open an affiliate shop whereby we'll be able to point you to the right places for your insurance, your breakdown, spare parts, things like tyres, even spare parts for classic cars, and also a shop for the stuff we use in the garage. Now, we're not looking to make a fortune out of this, but we will, because we're affiliates, we will make a small commission. However, we'll also be trying to do vouchers or keep in touch with motoring products where we can get discount vouchers for people. So if you keep an eye on our website and on the shop, you may be able to save some money. It'll be helping us, and hopefully we'll be helping you too. So, as I say, keep watching the videos. If they're of any benefit to you, please like and subscribe. And don't tell me I look like John Virgo, Alan Partridge, David Brent, no, I don't mind Swiss Tony. Swiss Tony's probably my favourite out of those. And also, don't tell me I sit too far back. I know all these things. I don't need telling. Thanks for watching.